None of that today, bit of a change of pace. I've had a few people say that my videos are too short and they would like to see how I actually do the things that I do. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how I make the brackets and the mounts and the things like that. So hopefully it isn't too boring. So I've been using this Cooler Master AIO water block, but it's starting to leak and fall apart. So I wanted to change it to something more permanent. So I've got this first gen Intel water block and I've made a few brackets, but I've settled on this one now, the final form. So I'm hoping now this can be used for any GPU and I'll just have to make different size spaces or standoffs for beneath this bracket. So that's the plan there. The copper pipes, I'm not going to do that anymore because the VRAM actually performed better when it was at ambient temp, not under ice. So that makes things much simpler for me. I'm just going to figure out how to get heat sinks onto the VRAMs because the MOSFETs and the chokes are all different heights. So that will be a little tricky to figure out. For the coolant, I use automotive coolant that I put in the freezer that gets it down to about minus 18 degrees. I use Tinkercad to make these brackets. So I go on Tinkercad and then I've got an Ender V3 printer that I use. And these are all made from PETG. So there you go. If you're wondering how it gets done, that's how it gets done. So I hope that explains some of it for the people that give a shit.